everyone, welcome back to our channel Visa God's World. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and let's get started. In the first painting is a potato. Yes, you heard me correctly, a potato. Today, this little potato is going to become my first Indian flag painting. I know it sounds a little funny, but that's exactly why I wanted to try. First, I'm going to make sure the surface is clean and dry. Now I'm starting with the saffron color. I'm carefully applying the color, and next I'm applying the green color. So after green color, apply white color and add Ashok Chakra at the center. And now if you are new to our channel, please do like, and this is the final output of our painting. And next, coming to the second painting, I'm using flat brush. Okay, this one is very definitely unusual, a painting brush as a painting. I really wanted to see how our Indian flag would look on something like this, and honestly I think it turned out pretty nice. Would you try this one? And this is the final output of our second painting on a flat brush. Now comes the third painting, an avocado. I had never tried painting an Indian flag on an avocado before, but I thought let's give it a try. Okay guys, if you are enjoying these unique Indian flag paintings, don't forget to hit the like button and hype the video as much you can. So stay with me until the end because I want to know which one becomes your favorite. Look at this little avocado. I really wasn't sure how this one would turn out when I started, but I think it actually looks pretty good. What do you think? Is this your favorite so far? And now I have added the Ashok Chakra at the center, and this is the final output of our Indian national flag. And coming to our fourth and final painting, I am using 200 GSM paper. After painting on a potato, brush and an avocado, I thought it would be nice to finish with something simple. Paper is probably the first thing that comes to our mind when we think about painting. So let's create a clean and beautiful Indian flag. You people know whenever I paint our Indian flag, I feel really happy. It may be just a painting, but for me, it's a small way of showing my love for India. I'm carefully drawing the lines and adding the details for this painting, and this one is simple, clean and classic. Sometimes you really don't need anything unusual. A simple piece of paper and a little creativity can create something beautiful, and this is the final output of our painting. So these are my 4 paintings. Now I want to know from you which one is your favorite. Tell me in the comments, and thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe our channel.